Which among the following is similar about microsporogenesis and megasporogenesis in angiosperms? Microsporogenesis refers to the development of male gametes, that is the pollen grains, and megasporogenesis refers to the development of female gametes, that is the egg cell. Now, looking into the similarities and dissimilarities of microsporogenesis and megasporogenesis, and here we have first option occur in ovule and B occur in anther. Now, coming to the location of microsporogenesis, that is a formation of male gamete, it happens in the anthers, that is the pollen sacs. Whereas megasporogenesis occurs in the ovules, that is in the ovary. So that means option A and B are incorrect answers because they are not common for microsporogenesis and megasporogenesis. Now coming to option C, form gametes without further division. This is also incorrect because both the process involves meiosis to form the gametes. That is, in microsporogenesis, they undergo meiosis to form the pollen grains, and in megasporogenesis, they undergo meiosis to form the megaspore, that is the female gamete. So that means option C is incorrect. And that makes option D the correct answer. Both microsporogenesis and megasporogenesis undergo meiosis to produce the gametes. So the correct answer is option D, involve meiosis.